Discovery of cells. The first time the word cell was used to refer to these tiny units of life was in the year 1600s by a British scientist named Robert Hooke. Hooke was one of the earliest scientists to study living things under a microscope, a not so strong microscope at that, but still he was able to make an important discovery. When he looked at a thin slice of cork under his microscope, he was surprised to see what looked like a honeycomb. Hooke made this drawing to show what he saw back then. The cork was made up of many tiny units which he eventually called cells, which came from the Latin word cellula, meaning very small compartments. Cell theory. Not so long after Robert Hooke discovered cells in a cork, another scientist named Anton van Leeuwenhoek also made an important discovery using his own made microscope that was more powerful than any other microscopes at that time. He was the first person to observe bacteria in protozoa, and he is also known as the father of microbiology. In the early 1800s, two German scientists named Theodor Schwann and Matthias Jakob Schleiden made a breakthrough proposing that cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. Around 1850, a German doctor named Rudolf Virchow was studying cells under a microscope when he happened to see them dividing and forming new cells. He then realized that living cells produce new cells through division.